We are so excited to share this clip of TJ Hunt recently installing a set of our custom valved and designed SakeBomb Garage FPSpec DFE coilovers on his Junkyard NSX project. Check it out in part 7 of his series over on his channel. Thanks to TJ Hunt for the shout out, and again thanks to Olin's USA for the continued partnership.
Now that the front end is all tied together, it's time for us to move on to the suspension. If you guys have been paying attention, you've noticed we've kept the coilovers that came on the car and we haven't replaced them. That's because we've been waiting for a special set of coilovers that took a little time to get, but man, are they amazing. This right here is a set of Olin's for the NSX. If you are an Olin's fan, you might say to yourself, Teach, Olin's doesn't make a set of coilovers for the NSX. Well, if you thought that, you would be right, but SakeBomb Garage does. Now what they do is they use struts from Olin's and they custom build them to fit and work on the NSX. So you have Olin's perfection fitted on an NSX. These are so amazing. I am so stoked to get them, and I wanna give a big shout out to Olin's and a major shout out to Sake Garage, because if you want a set of Olin's for an NSX, you can only get it from SakeBomb Garage. So I'm gonna link them down below. I just can't give a bigger shout out because they are the ones who made this happen and are like, yo, we have a set, let's get you some for the NSX, and we get to utilize the Olin's parts, which, as you guys know, we always love to do that. So first look, oh, and they're already assembled. Ooh. Yeah, man. FPSpec SakeBomb Garage. This is gonna ride so damn nice. I am so excited to install these. So let's unbox these and get a good look. We're gonna be putting the cream of the crop, the top of the food chain coilovers on the NSX. Getting an old, crusty car that was one man's trash and putting the best parts on the car and rebuilding it to bring it back to life. That is where the passion sits with this. So we're gonna remove the old crusty coilovers and we're gonna throw in the new coilovers that's gonna connect us to the road and deliver us the feel that the NSX was designed to give.
Big thanks again to both TJ Hunt and Olin's USA for the support and asking us to be a part of this build. Follow the TJ Hunt Junkyard NSX build on his channel by clicking the links in the description, and find all of our FPSpec suspension kits offered on SakeBombGarage.com with the links below.